2018 USA version Toyota Tundra Apple CarPlay OEM Retrofit. Okay. This is TNGCB, which is a Toyota Touch and Go plug and play CarPlay modules. This is video module and this is CarPlay module. Must be together as a kit. We have already assembled the radio to save time. There is nothing else you are going to connect, only these three big plug and play connectors. 1, 2, 3. You just plug it in and then installation is done. Okay, now we'll put back the radio. Okay. Okay, now start the engine. Radio put up. Okay, you can activate the CarPlay by pressing the power button twice. Now phone is connected through the CarPlay. You can use Waze, Google Maps. It shows the correct location now, Costa Mesa. From here, put reverse gear. Shows OEM backup camera properly. Back to the CarPlay, and we'll also try the voice command by Siri.
Siri.
Okay, activate the voice command properly. Now the sound is connected directly to the car's auxiliary from the back of the connector. So it sounds from the OEM speaker, message, phone, and you press this power button twice. It will show you back to OEM.